Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your API key from Google AI Studio. So this is actually going to be easy and can be done in a few minutes. So simply start by opening your browser and go to the Google AI Studio website. From there, you're then going to have to sign in with your Google account. So once you're in, you then have to look at the left sidebar and click on API keys. So if you don't see the API keys yet, you can also click Create API Key. Then choose the project or let it create a new one automatically. So Google will immediately generate a new API key for you. So simply copy it and keep it somewhere safe. So you can also restrict it or delete it anytime from the same page. And that's it. So that's how to get your API key from Google AI Studio. So I really hope you found this insightful. And if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.